What's the meaning of alphabetize? Alphabetize. 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 Alphabetize.
Alphabetize refers to the act of organizing a list of words or phrases in alphabetical order. This means that each item is arranged according to the order of the letters in the alphabet, starting from A and ending at Z. The result of alphabetizing a list is a clear and easy-to-read arrangement of items that makes it quick and simple to find a specific word or phrase. Alphabetizing is a common task in many fields, including publishing, library science, and data entry, as it allows for efficient organization and retrieval of information.